Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing nail art inspired by Kylie Jenner. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Without any further delay, so let's get started. So this is a nail art that we will be doing today. I have already painted my nails with the base color. First of all, there are simple pink polka dots and let's make them on thumb and on the little finger. It is a bit difficult to paint on the right nail with the left hand, but it turned out really well. For second, there are some eye-like structure. First again you need to make white polka dots and take a black nail paint and make the eyelashes on it. To make them, I use the eyeliner brush as it is very thin to make it, and it was very easy to do that with eyeliner brush. You can use it, and after using it you can wipe it off with the help of acetone, or commonly known as nail remover. Now putting the dots over it to make it look like eyes. It turned out really well. It was my favorite part. For next, you have to just put on the dots, black dots over white. It was not so efficiently done, but it was okay as it was on the right hand. For next, you have to just make outline with the orange color. This also went out not so well, but it was okay as my nail paint was not so good and it was not orange, but it's fine. For next, you have to make S-like structures with the yellow nail paint. So let's do it. Again, I used the eyeliner brush, dipped it in yellow nail paint and make S with it like snakes. It also turned really well. Next are cow prints. It was also okay kind of. Next are the random lines with the yellow nail paint. In meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. I did it amazingly and I liked it. Again, next are the cow prints with the blue color, making the same. Last time they were empty, now we have to fill them with the nail paint of the same color. are just random patterns drawn here and there. It also turned out really well, and I liked it. For last, it is like a music note and making it same with the blue paint. So yeah, it's done. I think I did my good job. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section. Now putting the rings. I took these rings from Club Factory. If you want to see Club Factory haul, do let me know in the comment section given below. So yeah, it's done. Some beauty shots. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, comment, like, share and do subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.